Okay, morning guys. Today we are going to see 5 data analyst jobs in Hyderabad. So the first company is Albridge. They are looking for a junior data analyst. The location is Hyderabad and the requirement is for a fresher. The education qualification is graduate. Let's check the qualification criteria. The skills required are a graduation with strong mathematical and statistical skills, prefer with some development and enhancement experience of machine learning and statistical models, some experience in working with Python or SQL, some experience in working with libraries in Python, familiarity with NLP, natural language processing, be flexible and ready to learn. These are the qualification criteria. Okay, please do not apply if you don't have any of these skills. The basic mistakes freshers do is they only consider the education qualification, which is just the eligibility criteria to apply. If you want to get selected in the interview, you should also have the qualification criteria. Okay, the qualification to be selected in an interview or the skills required that are presented on the screen. So if you don't have the skills, please do learn them. There are two kinds of experiences. One is proven experience, which you get from a company, from working in a company, and the other is a hands-on experience, which means you haven't worked in a company but you have knowledge through working with projects. Okay, you will get such kind of projects from consultancies. So there are a lot of consultancies that provide such kind of experience. Okay, they will give you, they will train you, and they will give you some projects which you can work on, and you can represent this as a hands-on experience for the companies. Okay, if you don't have such skill set, please do learn them, because without this they won't select you. This is the major reason most of the freshers are not getting selected in the companies, because they only consider the education qualification, the eligibility criteria to apply for an interview. They won't consider the qualification criteria to be selected for the job. So those are the skill set required for this particular job, and they haven't given any information about the salary. Okay, and if you are interested and you have the skill set, please do apply for the job through the link in the description, and I have given all the 5 company links that you can apply in the description. So now let's move on to the next company, Fragma Data Systems. They are looking for junior data analyst. The location is Hyderabad and the requirement is fresher. Education qualification is a graduate. So they have given the salary information, which is 3 to 3.5 lakhs per year, which is a reasonable salary. The skills required are strong programmer with expertise in Python and SQL, hands-on work experience in SQL or PLSQL, expertise in at least one popular Python framework like Django, Flask, or Pyramid. Okay, and you need to have knowledge of object relational mapping ORM and familiarity with front-end technologies like JavaScript and HTML. As I've told you before, they have mentioned hands-on work experience. That means you need to have some project experience. Okay, you don't need to have to work in a company. Okay, so these are the skills required for this particular job, and if you are qualified and if you are interested, please do apply through the link in the description. Now let's move on to the third company, which is Primary Solutions. They are looking for junior data scientist. Location is Hyderabad. Requirement is for a fresher. Education qualification is BTech, BSc, or an equivalent degree. Okay, they have mentioned the salary 4 to 5 lakhs per year, which is a great salary. Okay, and the qualification skill set is you should have working experience, hands-on working experience with statistical packages like R, Python, NumPy, and databases such as SQL. You should have experience articulating business questions and using mathematical techniques to arrive at an answer using available data. Experience translating analysis results into business recommendations. So these are the minimum required skills that you should have to be applying for this job if you want to qualify for the job. So let's move on to the next company. The fourth company is Wipro Infotech. They are looking for data analyst. The location is Hyderabad and the requirement is for fresher. and there are 40 openings for this position. And the reason behind it is the salary is a bit low, which is 80,000 to 1.5 lakhs per year, and the education qualifications are 12th and any degree, BBA and BCom. Okay, so if you are interested, please do apply. And as this is for a fresher and there are no qualifications set, or there are no skill set, the basic skill set for a fresher or good communication skills, ability to work long hours, ability to work in a team, and blah blah blah, all those fresher requirements. So please do keep that in mind. Now let's go to the last company. The fifth company is HP. They are looking for data analyst. Location is Hyderabad and the requirement is fresher. And the education qualification is bachelor's or master's degree in engineering, mathematics, statistics, computer science or equivalent. Okay, now let's check the skill set. Okay, the qualification skill set are understanding of scientific design and data collection methodologies, tools and analysis package to collect, validate and analyze research data, basic knowledge of clearing and mining the data in Excel, Power BI and Python, good analytical and problem solving skills, good written and verbal communication skills, mastery in English and local languages, ability to effectively communicate research plans, proposals and results. Okay, so these are the skill set that you need to have for this job. And I don't sugarcoat my words. If you don't have any kind of skill set, just with your degree you won't be getting many opportunities. You need to have one kind of skill set in one particular domain which you are strong in. Okay, you need to learn one strong skill set to be able to present to an interviewer. Okay, first thing is you need to apply for those jobs where your skill set appears. Without that, applying for hundreds of jobs is just waste of time and it will just downgrade your morale. So please don't apply to any and every job that you see on online or YouTube or from any other sources. Okay, so please keep that in mind before applying and improve your skill set to improve your chances of getting selected into an interview.
Okay, and actually we have launched a new service where we will be sending you alerts based on your preferences, your preferred job location, your preferred profile, your preferred job posting anywhere in India, any company in India and any job role in India, whether it may be your local or whether all over India. We will be sending your specific profile job postings directly to your mail even before posting our video in the YouTube channel. However, this will be costing you 1000 rupees for 45 days. We will be sending 2 to 3 alerts every day for 45 days. Okay. So if you are interested, please do contact us through our business WhatsApp, which will be in the description, or you can also send us mail, which will also be in the description.